Antoinette from Smartneedle here. I am so happy to share with you my brand new collection. It's the Cozy Love Fall Trio. These toppers are colorful, vibrant, and full of seasonal charm. Each design is an oval topper with scalloped edges, stitched with a mix of beautiful applique letters and contour accent that make every word extra special. Look at the details. The letter O in love is a bright sunflower. The letter O in cozy is a playful pumpkin. And the letter A in fall turns into a pretty autumn leaf. The rest of the letters are stitched in gorgeous blanket applique, giving you that perfect blend of texture and style. What makes contour design so magical is the softness and shadow effect they add, without needing to change thread colors too often. It's such an easy way to bring depth and beauty to your embroidery projects. So grab your favorite fabric colors and let's get stitching. Remember that all my embroidery designs can be stitched on either a single needle or multi-needle embroidery machine. Either machine works just fine. This collection includes 3 different hoop sizes, so you will have plenty of options. Now let's hoop one layer of tearaway stabilizer and stitch the first spool color directly over the stabilizer. After your guideline is done over the stabilizer, we're going to cover it with 2 layers of cotton batting. Keep running your machine for the next spool color. It will do the tack down stitch to attach the cotton batting to the project. After the tack down line is done, we're going to trim all around it. After your cotton batting is all trimmed, we're going to cover the whole cotton batting area with a piece of pattern fabric of your choice. Keep running your embroidery machine for the next spool color. It will do the tack down stitch to attach the pattern fabric to the project. The next spool color, it will run a guideline letting you know that will be the first applique area. Now we're going to prepare our applique fabric. Go ahead and add heat and bond to the back of your fabric. Since we're doing blanket applique, this will help us to keep the applique pieces firmly attached to your base fabric and prevent any frayed edges. Be sure to press both sides of the fabric so the heat and bond adhere really well. Now we're going to cover the whole applique guideline with our piece of fabric. Just make sure you remove the paper backing before laying it down. Keep running your embroidery machine for the next spool color. It will do the tack down stitch to attach the heat and bond applique fabric to the project. After the tack down stitch line is done, we're going to trim all around it. The next spool color will do the blanket applique stitch all around the edges of the heat and bond applique fabric. Now let's move on to the next 4 embroidery spool colors. This will slowly build the beautiful contours or flower that makes up the letter O in love. You'll see each layer adding more details, giving the petals their softness and depth. By the end, that simple letter O will bloom into a bright sunflower, making the word love really stand out. The following spool color will do the letter L applique guideline as the video shows. For the letters L, V, and E, we will need applique fabric with heat and bond already applied to the back. In my case, I like to keep a little heat and bond leftover folder. Something I highly recommend. I always overcut my applique fabrics, and that means I end up with extra pieces that are perfect for future projects. So let's take a look at what I have in my folder today. I am so happy to find some patchwork fabric pieces that I already have with heat and bond on the back. They are just right for this project, and it's such a great way to save time and used up scraps. Okay, let's cover the letter L. Applique guideline with a piece of fabric of your choice. Just make sure you got heat and bond already on it. And then we're going to run the next spool color. It will do the tack down stitch to attach that fabric to the project. After the tack down is done, we're going to trim all around it. The following spool color will do the blanket applique stitch all around the edges of the letter L. The following spool colors will work on the applique for the letters V and E. First, you'll see the machine stitching out the placement guidelines for each letter. These outlines show you exactly where to place the applique fabrics, so go ahead and lay down your pattern fabrics right over those guidelines. This is where the fun part, where you get to play with colors and textures. Once your fabric is in place, the machine will run the tack down stitches to secure everything. After that, take a moment to trim carefully all around the tack down lines, leaving your shape nice and clean. Now, the next spool colors will stitch the beautiful blanket applique around both letters. I just love this part. The stitches add so much character and details. You'll see how the design really comes to life with each letter looking bold, textured, and perfectly framed by those cozy blanket stitches. It's always so satisfying to watch the transformation happening right in front of you. Our topper is almost finished. Now we're going to prepare the backing. Cut 2 pieces of pattern fabric in the design of your choice. The important thing is to make sure that when the pieces are folded in half, it will fully cover the topper. Lay 1 piece on each side of the topper with the folded edge facing towards the center. Overlap the 2 folded edges by about 1.5 inches. This creates a nice clean envelope style backing that will hold everything neatly in place. Now we're going to run our last spool color. It will do the tack down stitch to attach all those fabrics together. Now it's time to unhook our project, and then we're going to cut all around the scallop shape stitch line, leaving about 1/4 inch seam allowance. Just be careful cutting around the scallop shape. It can be a little bit tricky, but once it's done, you are going to love it. As you can see, I have already trimmed all around the topper shape, and now comes my favorite part, turning the project inside out. Go slowly here and gently push out each curve so the scallop forms nicely. I like to take my time shaping every little rounded edge because the more careful you do this step, the more beautiful your finished topper will look. Once everything is turned, it's time to give it a good press. Iron both sides really well. This makes the heat and bond adhere securely between the fabrics, and it's also shaping up all those scallop edges so they really stand out. You'll see how the curves smooth out and the shape looks so polished. And just look at it now. Those scallops are crisp, the applique is shining through, and the whole topper look absolutely adorable. This is the moment where all the pieces come together and you can really see the beautiful work. I went ahead and I stitched all 3 designs, and just look at them. They are so cute and so colorful. The patchwork fabric really makes the letters pop, giving each word its own special charm. I love how versatile these toppers are too. You can use them as table toppers, trivets, mug rugs, or really just about anything you need around your kitchen or dining area. However you use them, they are sure to bring a warm and cozy touch to your home. Now it's time for our Cozy Love Fall Sweepstake giveaway. I am so happy about this one. I'll be giving away a beautiful triangular pouch stitched in the cutest red fabric pattern with teeny scissors. Isn't this adorable? The zipper puller is a little gold scissor charm that makes it even sweeter. Along with the pouch, I am including 3 tubes of Smartneedle embroidery bobbins in gorgeous seasonal colors. Purples, oranges, yellows, and greens, just perfect for fall stitching projects. Here are the giveaway rules. To enter, simply leave a comment below this video. This giveaway is open for US only. No purchase is necessary to enter. YouTube is not a sponsor of this giveaway in any way. The winner will be announced in future videos, so be sure to subscribe and hit the bell so you won't miss it. There are still prizes here that have to be claimed because the winner, they didn't even know they won. The winner will have 7 days to claim the prize once announced. And thank you all very, very much for being part of Smartneedle family. Your support makes it possible for me to keep bringing you fun embroidery projects and tutorials for all of you to enjoy. I can't wait to see all the beautiful projects you create. They always brighten my day. Thank you so much for joining me, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up to help me keep making more tutorials for all of you to enjoy. Until then, happy stitching everyone, and I'll see you next time.